Hello and welcome back to Talk to Me in Tagalog. Here's a pronunciation practice for Tagalog syllables ngi, ngo, and ngu, which some of you might find challenging to pronounce. Feel free to pause the video to say the words out loud. Here are words with the syllable ngi. Bingi, bingi, meaning deaf. Bilangin, bilangin, count. Hangin, hangin, meaning air or wind. Buhangin, buhangin, sand. Humingi ng tawad, humingi ng tawad, ask for forgiveness. Humingi is to ask, and tawad means forgiveness. Humingi ng tawad. Katangian, katangian, meaning trait or characteristic. Langis, langis, oil. Langit, langit, meaning sky or heaven. Mabangis, mabangis, fierce. Mangingisda, mangingisda, fisherman. Ngiti, ngiti, meaning smile. Ngipin, ngipin, tooth. Nakangiti, nakangiti, meaning smiling. Nangingitlog, nangingitlog, laying eggs. Nanginginig, nanginginig, trembling. Pangit, pangit, meaning ugly. Pisngi, pisngi, cheek. Pangil, pangil, meaning fang. Pangingilin, pangingilin, observance. Nakapangingilabot, nakapangingilabot, eerie or shocking. Paningin, paningin, meaning vision or eyesight. Pagtatangi, pagtatangi, regard or favoritism. Pagtingin, pagtingin, view or outlook. Panalangin, panalangin, meaning prayer. Panginoon, Panginoon, Lord or Master. Bangin, bangin, meaning cliff. Singilin, singilin, to collect payment. Nangingisay, nangingisay, to wriggle or shake violently. Nangingilo ang ngipin, nangingilo ang ngipin, sensitive teeth. Bingit ng kamatayan, bingit ng kamatayan, brink of death. Here are words with the syllable ngo. Please pay attention to the stress given to this syllable. Some are pronounced as ngo, while others are pronounced as ngo. Alimango, alimango, meaning crab. Mabango, mabango, fragrant. Lango. Lango, meaning drunk. Langoy. Langoy, swim. Pango. Pango, flat nose. Tumango. Tumango, meaning to nod. Ngongo. Ngongo, meaning cleft palate. Please take note that it's not ngongo or ngo but ngo. Bingot. Bingot, cleft lip. Patungo. Patungo, to or toward. Ungol. Ungol, growling. Bungo. Bungo, meaning skull. Bangungot. Bangungot, nightmare. Pakikitungo. Pakikitungo, treatment. Nakatungo. Nakatungo, stoop. Balinguyingoy. Balinguyingoy, nosebleed. Here are words with the syllable ngu. Pangulo. Pangulo, meaning president. Pangungusap. Pangungusap, sentence. Pangunahin. Pangunahin, meaning primary. Nangunguna. Nangunguna, leading. Manguna. Manguna, to be at the front of. Nguso. Nguso, meaning snout. Ngunit. Ngunit, but. Nguyain. Nguyain, meaning chew. Pangungulila. Pangungulila, bereavement or feeling of loneliness. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Salamat po!